Have you ever looked at a handmade crochet blouse and wondered how something so simple could feel so special? There is something magical about crochet. Every stitch tells a story. Every pattern carries creativity, patience, and love. And in 2026, crochet blouse designs are becoming more beautiful, stylish, and unique than ever before. Imagine a young woman searching for the perfect outfit. She wants something comfortable, elegant, and different from what everyone else is wearing. As she scrolls through countless fashion trends, she discovers crochet blouses. At first, she sees them as simple handmade pieces. But the more she looks, the more she realizes they are much more than that. Each crochet blouse feels like a work of art. Some feature delicate floral patterns inspired by nature. Others showcase modern geometric designs that blend traditional craftsmanship with contemporary fashion. Every blouse has its own personality. One of the most exciting trends for 2026 is the rise of minimalist crochet blouses. These designs prove that simplicity can be stunning. Soft neutral colors, clean patterns, and lightweight textures create an effortless look that works for almost any occasion. Another beautiful trend is the use of bold colors and creative stitching techniques. These eye-catching designs allow people to express their individuality while still enjoying the comfort and charm that crochet fashion offers. What makes crochet truly special is the human touch behind every piece. Unlike mass-produced clothing, crochet creations often take hours, sometimes even days, to complete. Every stitch represents dedication and passion. When you wear a crochet blouse, you are wearing something that was carefully crafted with attention to detail. As fashion continues to evolve, crochet remains timeless. It connects modern trends with traditional artistry. It reminds us that beauty doesn't always come from machines or factories. Sometimes beauty comes from a simple hook, a ball of yarn, and a creative mind. The crochet blouse designs you'll see in this collection showcase exactly that. Whether you're a crochet enthusiast, a fashion lover, or simply someone looking for inspiration, these blouse designs offer something for everyone. They celebrate creativity, individuality, and the joy of handmade fashion. As you watch these beautiful designs, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship behind them. Notice the intricate details, the stunning textures, and the creativity woven into every stitch. Which crochet blouse is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoy fashion inspiration, handmade designs, and crochet creativity, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest collections. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy these simple and unique crochet blouse designs for 2026.